Hello guys. Now just to let you know, New Zealand is currently in lockdown right now, so this will be my last video I'm gonna be putting up for a while until lockdown finishes or ends, which will be even better because like I said, I do not like COVID. It's a nasty virus that spreads all around. I just wanted to let you guys know that I won't be uploading for a while until COVID finishes its lockdown. So just to make up for that, we're gonna do a little video on these speakers this evening, because it's currently 8:37 p.m. Wait, is it really? No, it's not actually. It's currently 8:54. So I just wanted to get this video out there as soon as possible. So I'll let you guys know when this thing is fully taken apart. I'm gonna do this. Right guys, we currently got it open right now. And yes, I agree with you, Chris. Let's have a look at the speaker driver. Oh wow. Whoa, that's a big one. Now that's a big boy. A beast of a center channel speaker this is. A little bit of a gasket come off. Gasket come off, but that's alright. I'm gonna... And how many screws there are actually? There's currently quite a few screws in this pile actually. One. What the heck? No, I did not. Okay, something isn't right with that. I did not turn it on, guys. I did not turn it on. That's odd. Sometimes my phone likes to do funny things, like even stop the video sometimes, which can be quite annoying, so I might cut this one short before it does anything too crazy. Funny little poppy thing there. Guys, look at this. Look, it's so poppy, it's weird. Watch. Little poppy little thing. You can see right underneath there as well. You see the spider in there? How much excursion does this have? It's actually got quite a bit of excursion in there. My word. With hair in there, seriously. What's it got the hair in there for? See the terminals right there too. Big one is positive and the little one is negative. That's the front of it if you guys actually want to see it. See the actual driver. And a couple of videos ago, we had to look at the subwoofer down below. Right there, that's the sub that we took apart before. If you guys remember that. Right, take you guys back to that video. You'll see. I'm gonna miss my channel. I'm gonna miss it. I really am gonna miss it because I'm not gonna be uploading videos for a while or what, but I'm sure you guys will do fine without me. You guys all have your family and everything. So let's go ahead and close this up. It's got 2 bass tubes in there too. Wow. This thing must have some really good vocal in it too. Yeah, that's the right one. So we go ahead and insert the screws now. Turn that light off, it's a bit bright. Sorry guys, I'm so slow at doing that. Look inside. See the things in there? Let's just try them out. If you guys go to my YouTube, if you guys go to my Facebook page, Jacob Carter, under my real name, you'll see me with a little thing around my profile picture, and you'll know that it's me. I better pause this. Alright guys, the speaker is all back together. I'm sorry I cut this one a little bit short because I'm just worried about my phone, like just doing some weird stuff, you know, like cutting out the audio, like cutting out the video, cutting out all sorts of portions of the video. And yeah, we might end up looking inside the left and right speakers real quick if we have time, which I'm sure we do because we've got plenty of time, man. And we can have a look inside these speakers here, inside these ones. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can actually make room. I'm also acting this as like a live stream, but right, let's have a look inside of these. Alright guys, we've got this speaker apart now. See what's inside of this one. Oh, okay. Is it the same driver? Yes, it's the same driver. Oh, it's got a bass port at the top. Nice. Little slit ones like they have on those subwoofer boxes. Nice. You guys see through it? Yeah, just about. See the speaker there and everything. That's cool. So yeah, basically you have the same thing here. Same old speaker driver thing. Poppy things. The speaker connectors actually come off. Yes, they do. Speaker connectors come off fine. Yeah, there we go. got a little speaker driver here, right there. Very unusual shape actually, quite unusual. Okay, yeah. Got a little part number there. 1-825003-11. Indonesia, Sony. You got spider in there too. You got a little venting in there as well. Little holes right there. You see where the screwdriver is. Below. That's the venting there for it. See how the speaker moves like that? I really thought this actually have like a oval shape type design on here on the dust cap, but no. It's just this is all at a very, very weird shaped cone on it as well. So maybe a bit of a messy glue job. Ugh, man, some Chinese guy got fired for that one. We're on the edge. Very tacky as well. Very interesting magnet as well. Quite interesting. So yeah, both the same shape as well. Designed to go in there like that. Can't even reach in there, look. Can't even reach in there at all. Can't even reach in there, look. Barely. Right. Now, I'm going to show you how I'm actually going to put these back together as well. It's going to go like that. Sorry about that. Fail. Right. That one's done. The center channel is done. On to the last one for the night, and then that's it. That's the right one. Speaker driver. back cover, front panel, base port, wires there, got screws, ooh, what happened there? Got a little bit of polyfill in there too. Right there's some polyfill. Covering up the connections there. Okay. Alright. Decent surround on it too. Alright, let's put this back together. Have a short review, that is. Here we go, guys. Hope you really did enjoy this last video until the lockdown is over. Hope you guys actually stay safe, and I will see you when the lockdown is over, because I will not be uploading during the lockdown. Sorry. But please travel locally, just meters away from your home. Do not go any further than that. But yeah, thanks for watching my channel, guys. Remember, stay positive. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is the editing process, guys. I know, guys, it's just a bunch of boring stuff, but it's fine. Sorry, guys, I'm not talking that much. I'm just concentrating on this as well. Oh, wait. What was that? Hang on, guys. Guys, unfortunately, I will be taking a break from YouTube until lockdown is over in my country because of COVID-19 lockdown, but I will return after it has ended completely. There we go, it should work. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Let's read it from the top. Guys, unfortunately, I will be taking a break from YouTube until lockdown is over in my country because of COVID-19 lockdown, but I will return after it has ended completely. Thanks for understanding. Yeah, that should work perfectly fine. But we still don't know when the lockdown will end, but I will return when it comes back. Sorry, I will come back to YouTube as soon as the lockdown has ended. For when I return. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos for when I return to my YouTube channel. Nice. Skip all the way to the end so I can put the outro in. This is pretty much like how I do my YouTube videos. What was this? No, we don't want it in there. Sorry about that. Sorry guys, don't need to see that. Sorry. Okay, let's do this.